Steve Henry Show, and this week I promised you a series of 3. That's right, 3. It is the love time. Valentine's Day, as you know, is just around the corner, and we are on the cutting edge here at the Steve Henry Show for presenting food, that ordinary entree, and making it go wow! And that's exactly what we're gonna do this week. Jack and Jill went up the hill. You know the story. Well, they got married in 1997, and they are celebrating their 25th wedding anniversaries. That's right. This series is a 3-part series. This one is for those who have been married for at least 25 years or more. What do you do? What do you serve? Where do you go? What do you eat? Well, the answer is upon us. Jack wants nothing more from Jill, his favorite, and that is meatloaf. She says, meatloaf? Oh, come on, Jack. I've served you 100 meatloaf meals over the years. Oh, but wait a minute. I watched the Steve Henry Show, and there's a special way to do meatloaf. That's right, that's right. It is called Rotisserie Meatloaf. What? You can't do that on a rotisserie? Yes, you can. Remember one of these? 1975, loved ones. That's right. Out of the closet or the garage comes the old rotisserie. Remember we used to put the old bird on there? Remember Kenny Rogers Roasters? That old... Yeah, remember what happened to him? Well, anyways, we're gonna put on the grill of a rotisserie this week, rotisserie meatloaf for Jack. It is wrapped up in a mesh with a bacon netting and put onto a rotisserie, and you have not tasted, loved one, a meatloaf. Yeah, out of the oven, dry heat, conventional, no big deal. Wait until it's self-based around an RPM of about 22 for 4 hours, self-basting with that hickory pecan bacon. Oh my God. Jack, you're in for a treat. Jill, you watched the new Steve Henry Show and you came up with something cool. Wait till you see the presentation. It's going to be awesome. It is all we have. We are on board for a digital download. That's right. All right, the merchandise, that download digital, the mugs, you know, my dogs, JB, Moses. Yeah, you can get all that stuff at the new SteveHenryShow.com. In fact, if you're not subscribed, we have so many new people. If you're not subscribed and into our email, I can't cut you a check. And I write 3 of them a week, maybe 4 now, I don't know. This is the love time. By the way, let's go back for a moment. The love time, number 2, series 2. Yeah, for those that have been married by maybe 1 through 5 years, what do you serve them for food? Wait till you see that. And then the last one is going to be, yeah, will you marry me? Wait till you see that food item. It's going to be incredible. 3 solid weeks of nothing but Valentine's Day. Forget about those giveaways. On February 12th, I believe that is 3 weeks from today, we are going to spin live in the studio here for the Jeep. That's right. I'm going to reach in there and grab a name, and that name is going to win the Jeep. We're going to deliver that probably in about a week later. So February 12th, everybody who participates in the comment section by saying I'm here is eligible for that Jeep. No vetting. It's going to be live. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go like this. I'm looking for 3 hearts. I got 2. I've got a $500 jackpot spin for the 3 hearts. And don't forget, we give away $200. All you got to do is say, I'm in the comments. I'm here, Steve. That's right. 3 times, 4 times, 5. I don't know, but just you don't want to miss it. Love is in the air. That's right. That's right. Don't miss it. You want to be here live 4 o'clock Saturday, Mountain Time, in Studio 1, not 2. We have 2 now. Studio 1 for the Love Fest, and it's going to be rotisserie meatloaf. You can't miss that. The new SteveHenryShow.com, 4 o'clock live here, Mountain Time. I don't want you to be late because it's going to be awesome.